old tuxedo pressed. Gotta sew a button on my vest, 'cause tonight I gotta look my best. Who's back in town? Gotta get a half a buck somewhere. Gotta shine my shoes, slick my hair. Gotta get a boutonniere. Lulu's in town. Just tell all my pets, my charming coquettes, Mr. Otis regrets he won't be around. You can tell the mailman, don't call, ain't coming home until fall, and I might not get back home at all. Lulu's back in town.
Mr. Otis regrets
that he won't be round. He won't be round town. Tell the mailman not to call. Ain't coming home till the fall. I might not get back home at all. Lose back in time.